Hello,
Every
every
day.
day.
My
My
name is
name is
Zaira
Sarah
More.
More.
Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Hello,
Hello,
everybody.
everybody. My name is Tana Clarita Morepas. Nice to meet you.
Dalma,
Dana,
what do
what do
you
you
do
do
on
on
weekdays?
weekdays? On weekdays, I skip 6 a.m. Then I have breakfast and go to university in the afternoon. I study and do homework at night to TV on go to sleep. And you, Saida, what do you do on weekday?
On
On
weekdays,
weekdays,
I
I
wake
wake
up
up
early
early
and
and
go
go
to
to
university. In the
university. In the
afternoon, I
afternoon, I
study, do
study, do
homework,
homework,
and
and
to
to
with
with
my
my
family.
family.
At
At
night,
night,
I
I
relax
relax
and
and
watch
watch
videos.
videos. Saida, what do you do on weekends?
On
On
weekends, I
weekends, I
clean my
clean my
room,
room,
visit my
visit my
family, and
family, and
sometimes
sometimes
go out
go
with
out with
friends.
friends.
And you,
And you,
Dana,
Dana,
what do
what do
you
you
on
on
weekends?
weekends? On weekends, I rest, watch movie, visit my grandparents.
Dalma, where
Dalma,
do
where
you
do you
study?
study? I study in the afternoon and sometimes at night. And you say that when do you exercise?
I
I
exercise
exercise
in the
in the
afternoon,
afternoon
and
and
sometimes I
sometimes I
go
go to
cooking in
PT
the
in the
morning.
morning. Saida, what do you like doing?
I
I
like
like
listen to
listening to
music
music
and
and
watching
watching
movies,
movies,
but
but
I
I
don't
don't
like
like
cooking.
cooking.
And what
And what
about
about
you,
you,
Dalma?
Dana?
What do
What
you
do you
like
like?
doing?
I love reading and I love dancing, but this line running.
Dalma, what
Dalma, what
kind
kind
of
of
music do
music
you
do
like?
you like? I love folk music and I love romantic music, but I play loud music. And you say that what type of music do you like?
I
I
love
love
romantic
romantic
music. I
music. I
like
like
folk,
folk,
but
but
I
I
just
just
like rock.
like rock. Saida, what is your favorite food?
My
My
favorite food
favorite
is
food is
pasta. Dalma,
pasta.
do you
Dalma, do
like
you
pasta?
like pasta? Yes, I love pasta, but I prefer chicken.
Greg is
What
your
is your
favorite
favorite
kind of
kind of
music?
music? My favorite music, romantic music.
This
This
is our
is our
video.
video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.